Hey everyone, this is Katie, and I wanted to show you. I am a market partner with Monat. I just wanted to show you how you log in to your back office. So I'm on my site, and you see the main menu, and you want to click Login. Username is something you set up when you first join. Your password is something you create when you first join as well. And then you hit login. Oh wait, I remember wrong password. And now you're in your back office. And it comes up with your shopping. You can click home. And it'll tell you how many days you have left in your Smart Start, your VIP customer acquisition. And this shows you your business personal volume, group volume, downline volume, last month, this month, since we're the first of the year. And then it's just saying your active lines requirements, PV, GV, volume tracker. And then you can click enroll if you want to enroll a market partner, VIP, or enroll retail. Shop, you can shop, or you can buy stuff for yourself. Tools. Here's some tools. Videos, it shows you how to get started. Stuff like that. Relationship, ordering, enrolling, and vibe reports. Resources, this is the Market Partner Academy. You want to use that when you first start. You learn about the products, ingredients, stuff like that. The Monat quiz, reports. That's pretty easy how to log into your back office. And then when you're done, you simply click your picture and click log out. And it's easy as that. So always thank you for watching. Like my videos, simply hit subscribe.